Hello. So for lunch today, I made some amazing Dharane Thukpa. Noodle soup is not one of my favorite things, okay? But I had to try this because I'd seen so many videos of this. And trust me, it was so easy and so delicious. Even the kids loved it. For the soup, you just need onions, potatoes, and some green peas that you soaked overnight. You know, those dried peas that you get. So just temper some methi, some jeera, add all those ingredients, then season it with salt, chili, jeera powder, add your water, and I also added chicken cube. Of course, this is completely optional. If you don't want chicken cube, you don't add it. Just add some tomato puree after that and let it cover and cook for maybe a couple of whistles. While the soup is cooking, I boiled some eggs. I fried some pork sausage. You can fry any meat of your choice. It's entirely up to you. And then I also made some chili acha, like a little spicy sauce on the side with some dried red chili. I fried it in sesame oil for that extra flavor, and then I added some garlic, some salt, and the most important thing, timur. Then I blended it all, made a fine yummy paste, and that's it. The sauce is ready. And once all your prep is done, you can start boiling your noodles. The most important step here is to pick the right noodles, which I did not. I used spaghetti, but it's okay. It didn't taste that bad. Of course, I burnt it, but luckily nobody noticed. So shh. And then, peel your eggs. I tried to be as clean and neat as possible, but clumsy hands, what can we do? It is now time to assemble your bowls. Start with your noodles. And then add the soup. Make sure your noodles are drowning in the soup. So soupy, so steamy. Delicious. And then add all your toppings, whatever you want. I did sausage and I did onions and green chilies, some boiled eggs, and finally the piro, very spicy achaar. Unfortunately, we didn't have any cilantro and lime, but maybe next time. And now let's see what the little kids have to say about it. Babies!
Good. Not as bad as expected.
Not as bad as you expected? Sanu, how is it, my love?
I get
Give me an honest review.
9 out of 10. And you.
Only 9 out of 10?
Yes.
I made like soft boiled egg for you. I made sausages.
But for the sausage, you get 1 extra point, which is 10 out of 10.
Okay. Costo sa?
Good. Cheers. You say aloo is life. Let's try the aloo. But I'm going to try the aloo. I'm going to try the egg. It's hot. Okay.